Adventure awaits. Make your camping experience unforgettable. The first step to any memorable adventure is preparation. Yes, it might seem like a tedious task, but trust me, it's the one thing that stands between you and unexpected surprises in the great outdoors. Being well prepared means you can handle any situation that comes your way. From sudden downpours to forgotten toothbrushes, preparation is your best friend. Now you might be wondering, how can one possibly remember all the things to pack? Well, that's where a packing list comes in. A packing list is your roadmap to a hassle-free camping trip. It ensures you've got all the essentials, right from your camping gear to your food supplies. It's a simple yet effective tool that guarantees you won't be left scrambling for a can opener in the middle of the wilderness. Remember, proper preparation can make or break your camping experience. So let's get started on that list, shall we? Now, what should go into that backpack of yours? Well, let's start with the basics. A tent is your home away from home. It provides shelter from the elements and a cozy space to rest after a day of adventure. Choose one that's lightweight, yet sturdy enough to withstand the forces of nature. Next, a good quality sleeping bag is essential. It not only keeps you warm on chilly nights, but also provides a soft cushion against the hard ground. Remember, comfort is key when it comes to getting a good night's sleep in the wild. Food and water, of course, are vital. Pack enough to sustain you for the duration of your trip, and always keep extra in case of emergencies. And don't forget a portable water filter, as it can turn any stream into a drinking source. A first aid kit is another must-have. It should include bandages, antiseptic wipes, pain relievers, and any personal medication. You never know when you might need it. A map and compass are your guides in the wilderness. They help you navigate unfamiliar territories, ensuring you don't lose your way. A flashlight is your beacon in the dark. Opt for a headlamp for hands-free operation, and finally, clothing. Pack layers to adapt to changing weather conditions. A waterproof jacket, thermal underwear, and sturdy boots are all good choices. With these items, you're ready to face the wilderness with confidence. So, you've packed your gear. What's next? Time for some camping hacks. Choosing the perfect campsite is more art than science. Look for a spot that's high and dry. Avoid valleys and paths where water may flow toward you. Setting up your tent properly is also crucial. Always place a tarp under your tent to avoid water from seeping in. Starting a campfire safely is another vital skill. Remember to clear a 5-foot area around your fire spot. Keep your fire small and never leave it unattended. Now for the unexpected. A shoe organizer isn't just for shoes, it's a brilliant camping storage solution. Keep your cooking utensils, hygiene items, and other essentials neatly tucked away. Lastly, consider a foam floor tile for your tent. It's an excellent way to add comfort and insulation from the cold ground. These hacks will surely turn you into a seasoned camper in no time. Hungry? Let's talk campfire meals. Picture this: a sizzling skillet of trout caught fresh from a nearby stream, or a pot of beans slow-cooked over an open flame. Perhaps you fancy a bit of grilled corn on the cob or a hearty stew. The great outdoors is your kitchen and your campfire, your stove. The open flame imparts a unique, smoky flavor that's impossible to replicate indoors. With these meals, you'll be dining under the stars in style. Enjoy your camping adventure.